You don't have a lot of color gel polish collection? Don't worry, I will show you a hack that's useful for you. So you can have abundance color collection. All you need is eyeshadow. And any gel color that you have. Any gel polish, it doesn't matter. It's fine, you can use it. Or if you only have base coat and top coat, then it's perfect. First, you put base coat or any gel polish that you have. I don't have base coat, so I put gel polish that I have. As you see, my color is not really good, it's glittery yellow gold. Then cure it 60 seconds. Make sure every part get exposure to the lamp. After that, use a aceton pad or alcohol pad to clean the sticky residue. Then dry it by tissue. Then pick any color that you want in your eyeshadow. Take the color and rub it onto the nail surface. Spread it and make it smooth. After smooth, put second layer of base coat or gel polish all over the surface of the nail. Then cure it for 60 seconds. Make sure all the nail surface get exposure to the lamp, especially the side. This part is essentials to lock your eyeshadow. If dry properly, the won't come off. Clean the sticky residue. Repeat this process until you get darker shade that you want. Last layer, put top coat. Matte or glossy, it's fine. The difference is, if you use glossy top coat, you need to clean it from the sticky residue after apply it. Use a aceton pad and tissue, like I show you before. Then cure it 60 seconds. Make sure every part get exposure to the lamp. If you put top coat all over the nail surface and dry it properly, the color will stay. Here I proof it to you. The color not come off, even if we rub it with a aceton pad. Now you have abundance color collection gel polish. Hope this help. Thank you for watching.